The annual U.S. inflation rate fell to its lowest level in more than a year in December. December also saw the first on-month drop in consumer prices since the start of the pandemic. The Bank of Korea is tracking U.S. rates closely as they have direct impact on exchange rates for the South Korean won. Eun-jin reports.
The U.S. Department of Labor said on Thursday that the U.S. Consumer Price Index rose 6.5% in December on year. It has been shrinking for 6 months in a row since peaking at 9.1% in June and is now at its lowest level in 14 months. The index also dropped 0.1% on month, the first on-month drop since May 2020 at the beginning of the COVID-19 global pandemic. The measure of core inflation, which strips out volatile food and energy prices, rose 0.3% from the previous month, which translates to a 5.7% annual pace. This figure is regarded as the best indicator for the trajectory of inflation. Policymakers continue to consider interest rate hikes and whether they're needed to tame inflation, and the latest signs of cooling inflation may allow the Federal Reserve to slow down the pace of its interest rate hikes. This comes as a bit of light at the end of the tunnel, with hopes that it could ease the financial burden for American households with the rising cost of living, and hopes that the economy could avoid a dreaded recession this year. Eun-jin, Arirang News.